Ellsworth man was arrested last night for possession of drugs. 48-year-old Christopher Weber is being charged with 3 counts of aggravated drug trafficking. He's also being charged with a probation violation, which stems from 3 prior convictions of aggravated drug trafficking. Holden police say they pulled over Weber for a traffic violation last night in front of the Holden Elementary School. During the investigation, police found crack cocaine, and they say enough fentanyl to kill 20,000 people. Weber was taken to Penobscot County Jail.